Welcome back to Defense News Weekly. I'm Colin Demarest. First up, military headlines this week, new benefits from the VA. According to a new policy, the Department of Veterans Affairs will now provide emergency mental health care services for free, regardless of whether a veteran is already enrolled in the system. That policy took effect January 17th. According to the new program, the VA will either waive costs for care or, in cases of visits outside the VA system, provide reimbursements for emergency mental health care. Those costs can include appointment fees, transportation costs, and other related follow-up expenses. For more on that, check out our coverage on militarytimes.com. U.S. Space Force leaders are looking to maintain existing missile warning and tracking systems until new ones are fielded. The bridging strategy is to make sure the United States has systems in place while the service and lawmakers develop more permanent solutions. The fiscal 2023 Omnibus Appropriations Act adds $450 million to the service's $4.7 billion request, which funds satellites in high and low orbits that can track ballistic and hypersonic missiles, as well as their associated ground systems. The future system will likely comprise several types of satellites. The Space Development Agency is leading an effort to build a constellation of missile tracking satellites in low Earth orbit by 2026. Meanwhile, Space Systems Command is managing a separate program to develop a medium Earth orbit constellation, which is expected to have 4 satellites by 2028. The Colombian Air Force plans to buy 4 additional T-6C Texan II turboprop training aircraft from Textron Aviation in a potential deal worth more than $38 million. The country's defense ministry said it wants to buy up to 24 trainers. Colombia ordered 3 of the planes in 2020 in a contract that included the option for the country to buy up to 8 more. In 2021, it ordered an additional 4. 6 of the 7 have been delivered. They will be replacing the Cessna T-37B that the country had since 1969.